Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to fix audio delay latency on BandLab PC. First, open BandLab and go to your studio project. Now, if you're experiencing audio delay while recording, try running the latency test again. Here, make sure your microphone can clearly hear the sound coming from your speakers during the test. Then, if you use headphones, an external microphone, or other recording equipment, connect all of them before running the latency test. Next, place your headphones or speakers close to the microphone without wearing them. After that, increase the volume until the microphone can clearly pick up the sound. Now run the latency test again and wait for it to finish. If you're using Bluetooth headphones or speakers, disconnect them and switch to wired devices instead. Bluetooth devices often add an extra delay that cannot be completely removed. Then try recording again to see if the latency has improved. Next, if you have another pair of wired headphones available, try using them because some headphones work better and produce less delay than others. Now, if your audio recordings are already out of sync, select the recorded region in BandLab, then use the shift feature to move the recording forward or backward until it lines up correctly with your project. After that, if playback sounds slow, distorted, or glitchy, your computer may be struggling to process the project. Here, turn off any effects, auto pitch settings, or unnecessary plugins while recording, then try playing the project again. Next, if your project contains many effects and tracks, freeze the track you are working on. This converts the track into audio and reduces the amount of processing power needed during playback. After that, save your project and restart BandLab if the issue continues. Now make sure you are using the latest version of BandLab because updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Then check for any available updates and install them. Finally, run another latency test after making these changes and record a short sample to confirm that the audio is properly synchronized. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.